Whenever a person plans for a hair transplant surgery, there are a lot of myths or misconceptions or the wrong notions that are there in the society that he has to face and come across before making a final decision about whether to go or not to go for hair transplant surgery. Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Neha, clinical and aesthetic dermatologist, and today I'll be trying to bust some of your myths related to hair transplant surgery. The first myth that we have about hair transplant surgery is that a hair transplant surgery will cause cancer. Hair transplant, though surgical, but is a natural process of restoration of your hair. There are no foreign bodies that are being implanted into your scalp, so the risk of having a malignancy or cancer after a hair transplant surgery is zero. There is no correlation between a hair transplant and cancer. Now the second myth is that the transplanted hair are temporary. The answer to this question is that even in the most advanced grade of baldness, there is a portion of hair that is at the back of your scalp which is resistant to baldness. These are the testosterone resistant hair which are not going to be lost even in the long term. In a hair transplant surgery, the grafts are taken from this permanent area and are implanted into the frontal bald area. So, even in the long run, even when we grow old, these hair are not gonna be lost because they are resistant to the action of hormone testosterone. The third myth is that the transplanted hair look artificial. The answer to this question is that the transplanted hair are your own natural hair and they are just surgically relocated from a hair dense area to a hair thin or bald area. So they cannot look artificial. And even in the frontal area, the implantation of these grafts are done in a very precise and pre-designed manner so as to match the natural angle and direction of your pre-existing hair. So, to overall give a very natural look. These hair, once implanted into the new environment, will grow normally. You can color them, cut them or style them, straight them, curl them in whatever way you want. The fourth myth that we have about hair transplant surgery is that it is a very painful procedure. Hair transplant is not a painful procedure at all. It is a very comfortable procedure which is carried out under the effects of local anesthetic. With the help of these anesthetic agents, the scalp of the person undergoing hair transplant surgery is completely made numb. After which, the transplant surgery is carried out in a very painless and comfortable manner. The patient is wide awake throughout the surgery and can talk to the doctor and the other staff present inside the operating room throughout the procedure. The patient is also given few breaks to refresh themselves. The fifth myth that we have about hair transplant surgery is that it can cause scarring. In the earlier days when the hair transplant surgeries was done using FUT technique, a strip of skin was taken from the donor area and the rest of the skin was stitched back. This technique had a potential of leaving a linear scar which was visible when the patient cut her hair short. But with the advent of new techniques in the modern era, the transplant surgeries are done using FUE technique. In this technique, the hair are extracted singly in a zigzag manner from a wide area. So, the potential of leaving behind a scar is almost nil. I hope I have been able to clear a few of your doubts about hair transplant surgery, which will help to clear your mind and make up a decision about whether to go for a hair transplant surgery or not. If you like this video, you can press the like button, subscribe to our channel.